Yeah, alright, mate. What's your name again? Owen. That's Owen, and that is Romy. This one who's playing guitar is Onet. Yeah, that is Parin George. That one in the other shirt is Matrix. We call him a Matrix. His real name is Christian. And this is Parin Bernard. Yeah, that's one. JB. Yeah, both. Yeah, that's it. That's brother. JB and Christian are brother. Who is there? Oh, what's your name again? Luis. Luis. Nice to meet you, Luis.
Tol, ay maraming bibilid na langaw to. Tol, ay maraming bibilid na langaw to.
Next time, wala nang magician. Hindi kayo tatalikuran, ating ilang ikaw ang lumuluwa, at ilang ikaw ang lumuluwa. Masarang mo ay katapusan, kaya mo yan. Pagkabi ko kanina, o pag ko tumagay ka. Hoy, hoy, buloy, naalala mo pa ba nung araw na dedo ang aso mong si Morlac? Hoy, hoy, buloy, para bang nalimot mo na ang iyong mga sinabi nung ikaw ay buhay pa. Thank you! Woo! Galing pa rin yung Eton. Eh, boss Eton. Eton. That is John Kettle doing Asterix. Yeah. And what's the other one?
Ako hindi niya ako.
My God, Queen of Diamond. Directed by. And this one, you know, that's the Queen of Diamond.
Tapos
And that's
ako yung
Warren.
Tapos
And
yung
he's Warren. Directed by Henerinis. Directed by Henerinis.
I'm ready.
I want to show some tricks to my friend Henerinis. Yeah, it's a really good. You can shuffle the cards if you want.
Shuffle.
Shuffle the cards. Yeah.
I think that's enough.
It's enough. Are you happy with that?
Yes, I'm happy.
Take one. Yeah. Take one, yeah. Yeah, that's a free choice. It's a free choice, yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Anyway, no way.
Yeah. Okay. Happy?
I'm
Yeah.
happy.
Okay. No.
You want to drink?
No, it's alright. Take half of the cards. Just take, give me the half, and you can keep the other half. You can keep the other half, and just take
Paman cakes.
No. Have you seen this one? Yeah?
Yeah.
This one, yeah? You take the other half, and I got the other half, yeah? Okay, yeah? Have you seen
Shall
this
I
one?
see?
Yeah, that's alright. Have you seen this one?
Yeah.
Did you remember the card?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah? Yeah?
Wala doon, pre.